Investing in a new cryptocurrency or crypto project can drive profit in March 2022. The cryptocurrency market is now valued at over $2.2 trillion, following a stellar year in 2021. Due to its sheer size, the market provides scope for many smaller coins to launch and generate enormous returns for investors. If you're looking to find some exciting options within the crypto market, this video will explore the 7 best new cryptocurrencies to invest in March 2022, ensuring you've got a solid idea of the best investments for the weeks and months ahead. 1. Lucky Block, top cryptocurrency project with huge price potential. Our top pick in the cryptocurrency market right now is Lucky Block. Lucky Block is a blockchain-based lottery platform that looks to leverage decentralized technology to significantly improve the experience offered by legacy lottery systems. Lucky Block's native token, LBlock, forms a vital part of the platform and is used to pay transaction fees and buy Lido tickets. What's more, since jackpots are paid in LBlock, winners can receive their prizes instantly. Lucky Block's pre-sale sold out following colossal investor demand, netting the platform $5.7 million in funding. Due to the buzz around the platform, Lucky Block's developers decided to list the LBlock token on PancakeSwap ahead of schedule, which resulted in a trading volume of over $3.4 million during the token's first day of being listed. Looking ahead, Lucky Block's dev team has set their sights on obtaining a listing on Binance during Q1 2022, before the Lotto draw's official launch on 25th March. Finally, the success of the pre-sale and the PancakeSwap listing has produced an enormous response in the Lucky Block community, with over 24,000 members now active in the platform's Telegram group. Due to this, LBlock is our pick for the next cryptocurrency to explode in 2022. Cryptocurrency markets are highly volatile and your investments are at risk. 2. Decentraland, best cryptocurrency to buy for exposure to metaverse. Decentraland is another exciting cryptocurrency to consider, as the platform offers a virtual world that provides scope to monetize in-game items. As such, Decentraland is one of the most popular platforms to venture in the metaverse, with users able to buy and sell virtual real estate called land. Furthermore, in-game items can be traded on the Decentraland marketplace, creating a fully functioning economy. With MATIC currently trading at only $3.20, there's significant upside potential for the months and years ahead. Did you know that you can buy cryptocurrency on eToro with tight spreads? 3. Polkadot, best crypto blockchain offering unrivaled scalability. Polkadot is an innovative protocol that aims to provide interoperability between blockchains. Right now, most blockchains run individually, making it hard to share data with other platforms. Through Polkadot's parallel processing approach, blockchains can operate as parachains within the system, enabling far higher scalability. Ultimately, this means that developers can create cross-platform applications while still allowing each individual blockchain to maintain autonomy. Overall, Polkadot's system looks set to change how the crypto world operates, making it an exciting token to consider for 2022. 4. Chainlink, cheap cryptocurrency to buy with bright future ahead. Due to the decentralized nature of blockchains, it's difficult for them to obtain data without compromising on their principles. Chainlink looks to solve that problem by providing a way for blockchains to receive real-world data while remaining decentralized. Using Chainlink's oracles, data from non-blockchain sources can be delivered to smart contracts on the Ethereum network, allowing them to function correctly. This service is extremely valuable within the crypto ecosystem, which is why Chainlink looks set to have a fantastic 2022. 5. Curve, most popular cryptocurrency to buy with returns over 400%. The Curve is an Ethereum-based decentralized exchange, DEX, that focuses on stablecoin trading. By using Curve, investors can exchange stablecoins with low fees and little to no slippage. Curve achieves this through the use of liquidity pools, which enable investors to place their assets and generate substantial returns. Furthermore, as Curve is decentralized, users do not need to go through strict KYC checks like they would on centralized exchanges, making Curve an attractive prospect for the future of DeFi. 6. Avalanche, Best new cryptocurrency to buy in 2022. As has been evidenced by Ethereum's troubles, scalability is a significant issue in the crypto world at present. Avalanche looks to solve this problem by offering a platform with 3 separate blockchains. Each blockchain focuses on one aspect of the network, meaning Avalanche can provide rapid time to finality, TTF, and low fees. Furthermore, Avalanche uses 2 consensus mechanisms, called Avalanche and Snowman, to maintain safety and integrity within the network. Ultimately, this makes Avalanche a secure and viable alternative to many popular platforms in use today. 7. Polygon, MATIC, top cryptocurrency to buy as a long-term investment. Most crypto lovers will be aware of the scalability issues of Ethereum, including high gas fees and slow transaction speeds. Polygon looks to help with this by offering a scaling solution compatible with the Ethereum network. Polygon works as a sidechain that runs parallel to the Ethereum blockchain and provides faster transaction speeds and lower fees. Also, as Polygon is compatible with the Ethereum virtual machine, it's easy for developers to transfer their apps over to Polygon or even build them on the network. As Ethereum looks set to continue its dominance, Polygon is likely to be a beneficial scaling solution for developers in 2022. How to buy the most promising cryptocurrency for 2022? Finally, let's take a look at the process of investing in the cryptocurrencies we've mentioned within this article. Found below are step-by-step guides on how to buy our #1 crypto pick, Lucky Block, as well as how to buy cryptocurrency on eToro, both of which can be completed in a matter of minutes. How to buy Lucky Block. Step 1. Create a crypto wallet. Set up a crypto wallet with a reputable wallet provider, such as MetaMask, so that you can store your L-Block safely after purchase. Step 2. Buy BNB. Create an account with a regulated broker or exchange and purchase some Binance Coin, BNB. Once purchased, transfer your holdings over to the crypto wallet. Step 3. Connect wallet to PancakeSwap Exchange. Head to the PancakeSwap website and click Connect. Follow the on-screen instructions to link your wallet to the exchange. Step 4. Buy Lucky Block. Search for L-Block in the search bar and click on the token once it appears. On the token's listing page, enter the amount of BNB you'd like to exchange for L-Block. Confirm the exchange, and the corresponding number of L-Block tokens will be automatically transferred to your crypto wallet. Cryptocurrency markets are highly volatile, and your investments are at risk. How to buy cryptocurrency with eToro? 1. Sign up for an eToro account. Head to eToro's homepage and click Join Now. Enter your email address and choose a username and password for your account. 2. Verify your identity. Verify your account by uploading proof of ID, copy of passport or driver's license, and proof of address, copy of bank statement or utility bill. 3. Make a deposit. Deposit at least $10 into your account via credit/debit card, bank transfer, or e-wallet. 4. Buy cryptocurrency. Search for your chosen crypto in the search bar and click Trade. Enter your desired position size, minimum of $10. Double-check all the information is correct and click Open Trade. Crypto sets are a highly volatile, unregulated investment product. No UK or EU investor protection. Your capital is at risk. Additionally, 68% of retail investor accounts lose money when trading CFD with this provider. You should consider whether you can afford to take the high risk of losing your money. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.